It's a community foundation. Its mission is to foster vibrant and sustainable communities.
The foundation to me is a conduit of people giving and people receiving.
It's easy to give money away. What's challenging is doing it in a strategic, productive way.
I view the foundation as a great facilitator.
They've been a convener of getting groups together.
To then not only serve the causes I care about, but once I'm gone, to leave a legacy that will be here for years and years to benefit the communities that we cover.
The change that this has created in people's lives is amazing.
Inland Northwest Community Foundation is this region's partner in philanthropy, helping donors achieve their charitable goals for now and forever. Since 1974, the Community Foundation has distributed more than $50 million in grants. Approximately $4 million is awarded annually to support nonprofit organizations. Throughout eastern Washington and North Idaho, these grants provide essential human services, increase educational achievement, foster economic development, enrich arts and culture, and protect the environment and wildlife.
There's really not a town you can't drive through in our region that you point at something and say, wow, the foundation did that, either a program or a facility or something to improve the community.
Having worked in communities throughout the region, trying to address chronic problems like poverty and healthcare issues and the environment and having a good economy and finding jobs for people, it was important to know that there was an organization that was willing to be a partner with nonprofits and community leaders and elected officials from all walks of life throughout the region to address some of those concerns.
Inland Northwest Community Foundation professionally manages and invests charitable funds established by individuals, families, businesses, and nonprofits. Then they assist donors in making grants from those funds.
They're giving us resources with a tag that has hope attached to it in capital letters, because they're hoping we use that resource to improve people's lives.
It allows folks to make a gift, one, to get a tax deduction, which isn't a bad thing, but secondly, to know that their philanthropic wishes and goals will be fulfilled forever.
The foundation offers a wide variety of tax-deductible options that allow donors to support the causes, communities, and organizations most important to them. Most donors establish endowed funds that will exist forever and award grants for generations to come.
They facilitate, I think, some more complex charitable objectives for my clients and for donors at large.
I have clients who wanted to find solutions to their philanthropic giving and to the philanthropic legacy they'd like to leave, and in some cases a private foundation just didn't make sense for them.
The bang for the buck when somebody makes a gift to the foundation is amazing.
They are very flexible. They are a team player. If there is a will, there is a way. Pun intended, perhaps.
The Community Foundation manages several grant programs that provide financial support for charitable projects and initiatives. The result, countless lives are changed for the better.
No.
Nice job! Everyone in tower stood.
I met this young lady at a community center who had been helped through a program we had funded, the foundation, through a generous donor. And she was in tears and said she would have never gotten there without the help of this program. And she was just there to thank us.
Recognizing that some issues are too big to solve through grant making alone, the foundation engages community partners to identify and fund data-driven solutions to critical problems like homelessness and high school dropout rates.
They've been a convener of getting groups together and nonprofits and as well as businesses to work together for improving educational outcomes.
We're really the only neutral venue in the community, in the region, where we can bring all kinds of parties together to discuss and debate how do we improve our community in a measured, sustainable way.
As a result of the work of the foundation, it's made a big difference in the lives of our students. I hear our students every day as I'm out in our community saying they now have hope. Where they didn't think they had hope before in terms of going on to college, a 2-year, 4-year, and to continuing their education.
With charitable assets growing beyond $100 million, Inland Northwest Community Foundation allows every donor, regardless of gift level, to help change lives and improve our region, for now and forever.
To take a look at where the foundation has come and where it is today, there's just an energy and an excitement that's infectious, and you want to be a part of it.
We're inquisitive. We're trying to discover the solution that will resolve a social problem that will improve people's lives.
You know the impact is improving the community.
The donor who gives the money has a dream. The people on the other end have dreams. We're just in the middle. Amazing.
I think Inland Northwest Community Foundation is a treasure to this region.